nafasi hii ningetaka kuita wasanii ambao wameketi pamoja na kaimba wimbo moja ambao inamsindikiza mwenda zake. Your Excellency, all these artists who are here, it's a combination of Kalenjin artists ambao liketi chini pamoja wakaimba wimbo. Kwa hivyo nataka kuchukua nafasi hii kuweza kukaribisha all the artists. They are here, Excellency, because Joanna Ngeno impacted their lives. Some of them even are driving today because of Joanna Ngeno. Some are building even houses. Some even are schooling because of the support that Joanna Ngeno gave them. So, Excellency, Kalenjin All Stars, tafadhali nafasi ni yenyu.
I'm just thinking aloud as an artist. Now that our patron, the Honorable Joanna Ngeno, is no more, who will stand for us? I believe God in heaven will make a way. Rest in peace, our patron.
Live to sing music.
Rest in peace, Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala. Rest in peace, Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
Rire Kalenjin Kolen.
Rest in peace.
Rire Bororien.
Lala Salama. Rire Mayan Laye. Rest in peace. Emurwati Girgole. Lala Salama.
Kogi Ben Yiganenyo.
Rest in peace.
Mogondoga Gole.
Lala Salama.
Rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
Kogoru Chumbindanyan.
Rest in peace.
Tebambumbu.
Lala Salama. Olegisiara. Rest in peace. Patron Nevateni. Lala Salama.
Kibiego Narap Ngeno.
Rest in peace.
Kwamba Chesan.
Lala Salama.
rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
Tieni Chok Tugul Kolen.
Rest in peace.
Comedians Tugul Kolen.
Lala Salama. TikTokers Kolen. Rest in peace. MCs Tugul Kolen. Lala Salama.
Ritos DJs Agije.
Rest in peace.
Producers Konwae.
Lala Salama.
rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
rest in peace,
Joanna Ngeno, Rutenetala.
President Nenyagolen.
Rest in peace.
Parliament Gomwae.
Lala Salama. Kando Itugul Gulen. Rest in peace. Moe Ganiset Gulen. Lala Salama.
Lelen Bororietab Kipsigis.
Rest in peace.
Irtos Konyamba Nyugon.
Lala Salama.
Rire Nandi Gono.
Rest in peace.
Nandi Gaga Burwa.
Lala Salama.
Moe Tugen Baringo Gole.
Asante sana waimbaji wetu. Nataka sasa tuweze kutambua members of the clergy wakiongozwa na maaskofu wetu walio mahali hapa. Members of the clergy, tunaweza kusimama mahali popote tulipo. Wachungaji wote tuweze